Good afternoon. Today's February 18th. It's Tuesday. We're going to continue looking at how to determine the absolute age of some rocks or fossils. And to do that, we need to do a little review of radioactive decay. This should be review for most of you, or for all of you, really. Radioactive decay works. Some natural element is unstable. And that unstable natural element we call a parent isotope. And that parent isotope, over time, eventually will just spontaneously decay, and it will release some energy, some heat, or some part normal. There are three except years of having. Roughly a plants on the part of them continues to die down, and then skin you're eating is all decay. So it'll follow techie, and so I need to make sure that we're all getting there the same way. So we're going to enter that tiny URL code, tinyurl.com/LNHS carbon 14, C14. That's the code. Here is the way to work this this game here, this simulation. First thing you need to do is download it. You need to download it, and it's going to ask you once it's downloaded, are you sure you want to keep it? And just say, yes, I want to keep it. And once you have kept it, you cannot launch it from here. You have to go to your Finder and find out where you downloaded it, and probably in Downloads, and then launch it from your Finder. So hit open, and eventually it will open, and you'll be good to go. Let me just make sure this is what it should look like. Okay, so the handout that you receive from the substitute has directions how to use this simulation. You'll just be able to use that freely. Okay, that is all. Go be awesome.